Good morning and welcome again to ITP, the Income Tax Professionals. The financial year end is again upon us and you're about to meet up with your accountant and prepare your tax return, hoping and expecting the best outcome. Keep in mind to assist your accountant with their work, make sure you collate all your information, preferably summarised on worksheets, including all your income and, more importantly, all your deductions, eligible tax deductions. If you use your motor vehicle for work purposes, which is one of the more relevant claims still available, if you're claiming over the motor vehicle logbook method, make sure that is up to date and you've got all your relevant motor vehicle expenses for the financial year, including a tax invoice if you happen to have purchased or disposed of a vehicle during the year. If you're using the simpler 5,000 kilometre method, then a reasonable estimate of the kilometres travelled for the financial year will give you a reasonable claim. Expenses incurred in relation to generating your income are deductible, such as professional development, professional memberships, education, tools and equipment in your trade, work-related travel, interstate and overseas, a number of relevant work-related deductions. And again, the general principle there is these expenses have been necessarily incurred in generating your income. For those of you with an investment property or two or more, make sure if you're eligible for property depreciation, and that applies to newer properties, that you've got the surveyor's report setting out quite clearly the depreciation for property deductions available. It's a great deduction, one that is overlooked. That will be a good starting point for this year's tax return. And again, we look forward to seeing you, particularly in our ITP Adelaide office here in South Australia. To find us and to make an appointment, go to itp.com.au, direct phone number 088415 2233, and as ITP has been saying for over 40 years here in Australia, many happy returns and thanks for your time.